I know it's been a while since we posted a video, but the South Florida weather has been very disrespectful lately. See the skies, it's great. It's been raining for at least going on 3 weeks now. Well, 2 weeks. Next week's expected to rain all week. So not much we could do, but I've been ordering parts and just visualizing everything, man. And the interior color is also going to be changed. It might still be red, but I'm thinking about adding a dash of gray, especially with the interior I'm about to show you guys that I just got for the Cutlass. Puddles everywhere. That's how bad it's been. It's been horrible. But without further ado, let me get to the video now. Let you guys see the interior that I picked up. Got it for extremely low. I'm not even gonna lie to you guys. I think I paid $200 for the seats, front seats, the rear, the center console with the gauge cluster that goes in the center console. Hopefully I can get it to work. If not, you know, it's whatever. All right, these are instrument clusters for the center console. The center console is actually up there. Honestly, I don't feel like taking it down. I'm gonna see if I can get all this to work. It's really, I think, 3 wires. I think that has to be hooked up. I don't know, I'm not sure. So I'm gonna see if I can go ahead and get the instrument clusters to work. If I could, that'd be great. If not, it sucks, but I'll figure something out. Or if you guys know anybody who can get these to work without actually having to get the wire harness that comes with that comes on the Camaros, it'd be awesome, man. Let me know, point me to the right guy, and let's make it happen. I got the oil temp on there, the oil pressure, voltage, trans temp. I do know they have a version for the ZL1s that actually, instead of the oil temp, I believe, or instead of the transmission temp, they have a boost gauge. So, you know, if we can, or if I find some information out there on how to get this to work, I might actually just post this one up for sale and buy the one with the boost gauge, wink wink, for this build. Alright, what we're looking at is 2011 Camaro RS seats, all leather, fully powered. I've tested them, they worked, hooked up a battery and everything worked. So I'm just gonna wire that in, and once the floors are completely done. I was a little worried of how it was gonna look, because these seats, if anybody knows these seats, they're extremely tall. Even in the Camaro, when you get in and you look at them, there's less than a foot of space between the headrest and the roof of the car. But here it seems to be the same case. I'd say about half a foot, not bad, and that's with the headrest completely down. And I'm sure it'll probably get a little taller once the mounts is built for it, but you know what, I don't think it's gonna bother me one bit. If anything, it'll be comfortable. I sat in these things and it is freaking awesome. Alright, so this is the actual seat with the headrest extended. It's probably going to be mounted about this high, so I think it should be pretty good. I'm not worried too much about it. Okay, so yeah, finally got some buckets for this. The rears are actually way up there, so I don't think I'm gonna take them down. Everybody knows how the back seats look like. Nothing exciting there. I mean, I actually don't even know what to call them. You know, if they're bench seats, or I mean, because they're definitely not all the way bucket seats. They do have the middle hump that is connected. And it's not as sumped as most of your rear bucket seat cars, but I mean, if they still call it that, it is what it is. Nothing exciting there. Front seats are what I'm excited about. So I'm actually looking forward to doing this, man. There's so much planned for this car. Once the floor gets in, I'll update you guys on that. I know it's been a while. Again, it's been raining. There was a car show. And honestly, my welder has been booked. So I'm giving him a little grace period to finish everything up. I'll do a separate video on that. Just I can give you guys a little preview. The floor is in. You know, it's in. It's just tacked welding. A couple spaces you got to go over and then seam seal it. I'm actually going to go ahead, and I recommend anybody, if you have your carpet off, go ahead and redo all the seam sealer in the vehicle. So all this old seam sealer, I'm going to go ahead and chip at that, get that all off, and replace them. You know, I mean, this car is over 30 years old. It's probably best to do that. That way your car is not rusting from the inside out. We did grind out some of the spots that we were worried about, and as I said in the last video, they are aware surface rust, so nothing to worry about there. The rear was the only real problem. How they look sitting. Open the door. Woo, she gonna look good. She gonna look good. Stay tuned for a couple other videos that we're gonna be doing. I'll be removing these doors, the door panels, because I'll be converting this car to fully powered. So powered seats, powered windows, powered locks. I ordered a couple kits, the powered lock kit and the powered window kit. Although I do own a powered window regulator. I bought it probably a year back, but I figured I'd just go with the kit. It was cheap enough to try. If I don't like it, then I'll go ahead and wire in the window regulator that came factory with these cars that offered that feature. So yeah, I'll go ahead and change all these out once I have the door off to put the power features. Alright, so stay tuned for that. Rain, it's been like really stopping shit. Trenches, all I know is go and get it. Mama told me, boy, get off your ass and count the benches. And lately I've been counting money straight off the ceiling. And lately